Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank the honourable member for his question. The Lal Singh Road Water Project is a project that has just been completed. It cost around $3 million. And this is a major component of, part of this project is also a component of getting ready for the new Viria water treatment plant that comes in, because it involves an enlarging of the main water pipeline from 375 mm to 600 mm, and it runs for about 1.1 kilometers, and will allow for the greater flow of water from the new Viria water treatment plant when it comes in place. A total of 2,500 households, approximately 12,500 persons are able to benefit from this project that links from the roundabout on the south end of the rail bridge, traveling up north, up to past the rail depot and into Lal Singh Road. The project was outsourced to a local company, Flame Tree Development. Contract was signed in 31st March 2020, and the works were completed on 31st January 2021. The project is now under defects liability stage. As a result of this project, we should have, as I mentioned before, once Viria comes online, the water there has to go to the Rara Lebu reservoir at the top, where it then distributes around the Rail Delta, Nosori Town, and so forth. So the increased capacity will allow greater volume of water to move across to feed Rewa and Nosori and the surrounding areas. It has also allowed us to reduce the burst mains that have been occurring along the pipeline, and hopefully as a result of this we'll also be able to reduce the cost of water cutting that WAF has to do when there's problems with water supplies. It is also helping WAF to enhance his service delivery to the areas, and as I mentioned before, we're all looking forward to this Viria water when it comes in to address the amount of volume of water that is needed, especially in the rural area, but also will boost the supply that we have in Suva, which has got a problem with demand always outstripping supply currently. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Thank you.